Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? With this your boy, you see the mates again. Yeah. So as you can see, I have this very simple ingredients. I think how many? 6. Okay, 6 ingredients. I can do something amazing and incredible things with it. Okay. So I'll be showing you very simple thing that I can do with this ingredients, especially for breakfast. Yeah. So I have this bacon meat over here, made from pork. I have baked beans. I have some tuna, 1 tin of tuna. I have 2 eggs. The egg, I'll fry it at half done. Is it half done or half fry egg? Yeah, half fry. Yeah. I have butter. I have avocado, which is paya. I'll start with the bacon and I'll add this small amount of oil into the pan. Not even a teaspoon. Okay, very small because the bacon already have some fat in it, so you don't need much oil to fry it. And besides, you don't need to add salt to it as well because this meat is full of salt. So the only thing you can add is maybe some parsley or black pepper or something to go in like that. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, as I told you that this meat contains a lot of salt, so those 5 things that you see around is the salt that's coming out. As a matter of fact, you can even throw away this liquid around it. So I'll add some amount of butter. Spread. Okay. With the egg. Some small amounts of salt. Okay. You can add black pepper if you want. So I'll cover this for 2 minutes. Then teach on a breakfast. Start BRB. In the doctor's rules, we are waiting on our throat. Or throw hand rights and rough. Okay, so then egg, half cooked egg, no need. Okay. Yeah. This one method, I'll show you another method as well. Okay. We'll also come here. Remember I said this is a breakfast stuff. Breakfast anyway. Okay. I'll add some small amount of butter. Small amount. Spread. For the egg, just like the first one, but this time around, you go salt bay. Yes, salt bay. Okay. Yeah, so I'll add some small amount of water to it. And I'll cover it. Okay. So after 2 minutes, I'll just take this. Come on, man. Okay. So this will cook for 1 minute, then that's it. Yeah. Don't do me this, man. Don't do it lying now. You see how it is? But in here, look. Yeah, trap. Okay. So here. Yeah. Now, before I made it, what you try avocado, I have these baked beans over here. You know, the baked beans, you need to bake it. You need to cook it before you eat it. Until I have these baked beans out. It will go inside for like 3 minutes. And you salt from the dough, so you don't need to add salt. You just cook it. So whilst I'm waiting for the baked beans to cook, well, me pie the avocado, me papi me go. And I have this tuna. This tuna is optional. It's optional since in the salad you have tuna, baked beans and salad. And I know say, or I believe say you can still add some tuna to the baked beans, then I mix it up. Wow, yeah. It's optional. You can choose to do or not. Anyway. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so teachers on the correct teachers on the correct breakfast, breakfast that pack is $100, £100, now 300 Ghana, 400 Ghana, and be any difference be any. Okay, so now see the 1 minute now tuna the moon soon because on your tuna you should type in the bin. No fee is no only a mixed up and if you want your uniform taste no. Just a minute then are you okay? It's no more the heat no on camp tuna also. Yeah, okay, it's after a minute and baked beans with tuna I set it up already. A heavy breakfast, heavy one. Heavy breakfast. Heavy breakfast.